guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. This is JCZ Crafts, Vlogs, and more. Okay, so if you watched my last unboxing video, you saw that I purchased when Amazon Prime, I'm a Prime member, okay, they had a sale on hydroponic growing systems, and so I purchased this AeroGarden Bounty Elite, okay, because I had my eye on this for the longest and wanted one, but you know, with the warranty and all that good stuff, it was gonna be like $300. But for this machine, when it went on sale and it dropped down to like $140 something, I snatched this baby up, okay? Wise decision, and I saw great videos with great results. Anyway, I'm back. I did not set up, as you know, AeroGarden is going out of business. So please, AeroGarden users, should I download the app? Because I heard that after January 2025, you know, the app probably going down. So I don't really need the app that much. Anyway, so I'm gonna set up the panel so we can get started. I did go ahead and plant some things. Okay, this particular garden that I'm setting up for plants, I just want to grow some greens. Okay, I want vegetables, and I know I'm getting wise as I see, you know, just pay attention to the height of each of these plants, how high it can grow. I know pruning helps. You know, this goes up to, I believe up to 18 to 24 inches, the LED lights. And so I know I have to pay attention to far as the growth of how high each thing. So that's how I planted these. So I want lots of lettuce because I love salad, okay? And I love greens as well. So I'm thinking, you know, looking at the timing of things when to plant stuff. So I know by the time certain things grow on this garden, it'll be time to remove the lettuce and things, and then give the other plants their shine in this garden, just having two. So eventually I'll only have 2 plants growing in here months down the line. So let's get started to what I have planted thus far. I have the lettuce, the dark Lola, okay, Rosa lettuce planted, arugula, more lettuce, the green tower romaine lettuce, pirate lettuce, okay. Here I have spinach, the butterfly spinach planted. Then I planted some beans, the bush blue. Let me take this off so I can see. The bush blue lake beans, 274. So that's the bean in there. Wish me luck with that. Gardeners, let me know, should I have pre-soaked the bean or whatever before I planted it? But it's in there now. And then I had the chard, the rainbow blend chard. Okay, so I put several seeds in all. I wrote down how many seeds I put in each, so I am mindful of that. And you know, this only have nine slots to plant in. I left 2 open because I am planning on one, once the spinach sprouts, I am planning on moving a seedling to in the back there, so I can have 2 spinach. I love some spinach. Okay, so let's get started setting this baby up, and I'm gonna plug it in so we can get started. I am not familiar with programming, but it seems like it's pretty simple. So be right back. All right, we're about to plug it in. working with one hand, so give me a break. So as you can see, soon as I powered it on, because we powered it on before, and now it's asking, my power went out, start a new garden. I'm going to choose start a new garden. Okay, quick plant guides you through planting your AeroGarden. Use this whenever you start a new garden, so I am going to use that. Okay. Now, set your clock. I didn't even look and see what time it is. Hold on. Okay, so I set the time 1:55 p.m. And I said, okay. Now, it didn't even tell me, how do I choose what type of garden it is? So that's the next thing. So our lights is on. It is on, and now I need to choose what I am planting. Hold on. Okay, so it says here, let's look at the menu. Menu, gardening settings, light, plant food. Let's see, gardening setting. Days planted. Vacation mode, garden status, auto alerts. But how do it know what type of plants I am planting? That is where I need to get into. So days planted, restore the default. Settings, light. Okay, as you can see, your girl is going to have to go to the manual or go to the website of AeroGarden and figure out, how do I put what I planted in here so we can have the right light setting and so forth? So that's what I'm going to do. Maybe I need to hook this to the internet, okay? 14 days, food cycle. Okay, because overview. I'll be right back because I don't know. Okay, guys, I went through a lot. I set up the Wi-Fi. I did end up downloading the app, okay? And yeah, everything's set, as you can see. We have lettuce, garden, you know, and woo, ciao. I'll be back. It's set up now. Sorry I couldn't go through it with you, but you know. Anywho, this is what we're growing. Stay tuned for an update in a few weeks. And as usual, I did not add any nutrients to this garden yet. So we'll wait until we start seeing some seedlings, and then I'll add some food, okay? All right. I'll check with y'all later. Thanks for watching. Good morning. It's day 3. We are on the AeroGarden Bounty. Delete. Okay. And look. Our arugula. I already plucked one of the seedlings from there, and I shouldn't have. I forgot I said I was going to keep 2, but it's okay. Lettuce, dark Lola Rosa. Lettuce. Green Tower romaine lettuce. We got pirate lettuce. Doing something. It's doing something in here. It's doing something. Okay. And this is our rainbow chard. And it's growing, y'all. It's doing this thing. Alright. spinach. And our bean is doing something in theirs too. Bush blue. Alright, so far so good. Day 3. And I will be back. More updates. I love my new machine. So fancy. And I added to my Christmas list. I would love me. I can do the basic one, and I want another Bounty Elite. So I put it on my Christmas list, so hopefully one of my angels will definitely pick it up. Alright, catch you later. Hey guys, what's up? Here is a update. Okay, today is November 3rd. Okay, and I think I'm on the wrong thing. Am I? No, I'm on the right thing. Today is, November 3rd. And today is day 14. So as you can see, look at our lettuce. Oh my goodness. Everything is growing wonderful, okay? You got the Rosa, look. Dark Lola Rosa lettuce, okay? Back there, you have the romaine lettuce. Here's the pirate lettuce here, right here. And then, of course, you have no, I made a mistake. This is romaine. Sorry. This is romaine. This is arugula back here. This is the arugula. Look at that. So our lettuce are looking amazing. Okay. So we have that all lined up there. Then I'm going to come over here because we have 4 lettuce. Remember the pirate, the arugula, and so forth. Now here is the parsley. My parsley been giving me fever, okay? And I think I have to take it out and put it down in the pot a little more so it can have a little bit more stability. Cilantro still isn't growing yet, okay? Now, as far as the cilantro, I have a question because I'm not sure. Cilantro, I didn't think cilantro take that long to grow, but hey, who knows? I don't know, but we will check it out. Now, as far as the spinach, I had to trash it. It grew, then it just I don't know. It didn't grow. It was moldy. So I removed the spinach, which sucks. So I had to remove the spinach. This is the AeroGarden Bounty Elite update. So I had to remove that. And here is our chard. So I did go ahead and, I don't know, my chart looked like it's struggling a little bit. I did push it down in the grow sponge as well because it wasn't balancing right. So yeah, this is what we have. And I am thinking about moving the tomatoes up here. Remember, I have the tomatoes growing down below in the AeroGarden 2.0, the AeroGarden Harvest. So I'm thinking about changing it. But anyway, here's an update. I added food on day 3 because, baby, they were sprouting. So on day 3, I added food. So like I said, this is day 14, and this is where we are. I will be back with another one. I can't wait to try these delicious lettuce, okay? And if you notice, the bean is gone too. I had to trash it, but I think I did an update. By the time you see this, you probably saw that already. So I'm gonna wait until the lettuce do its thing. I'm gonna move the chicory into one of the larger hydroponic growing machines, and then we're gonna go from there, because I can't wait to plant some more stuff, guys. So I'll be back with another update.